From the moment we wake up till we close our eyes, sounds are everywhere. And in this city, we can hear it loud and clear. Sounds are everywhere indeed, but these kind of noises?
At a certain sound level, people could be affected by the noises from moderate effects, like disturbances of activities and sleep cycle, which cause annoyance, to high-level effects from the stress that may elicit biological risk factors, likely manifesting chronic fatigue and illnesses.
So before we suffer any of these drastic conditions, we better find echoing solutions.